purpose and content overview of this channel and video. This declaration confirms the content and fundamental principles of our GGA Audio YouTube channel, which conforms to all the principles of EDSA educational content and is primarily aimed at providing valuable information about the technical characteristics of various products. The channel uses music samples as a visual aid to demonstrate these characteristics in their intended context. Music samples are incorporated to enhance the viewer's understanding of the products being demonstrated. The use of repetition allows for effective comparison and evaluation of product features, thus providing clarity and depth to the technical insights shared. In other words, to compare the sound quality of two pairs of headphones, we would use the same audio track. If we wanted to compare a specific pair of headphones with 20 other pairs, we would need to play the audio track 20 times. This would allow the listener to understand how the sound of the headphones being compared differs from that of the others, and thus choose the most appropriate pair. What the user will see when starting any video, two pairs of headphones will alternate on the video, and the soundtrack of each of these headphones will be recorded. That is, the sound recorded in the video being played is recorded from headphones through specialized devices, and the video shows exactly the headphones from which the sound is being played. For more information on the Declaration of GGA audio channel content, follow the link in the description of this video.
In a rub-a-dub style, for all my girls. I have relationship with my selector, even if I play with the Shajaya or Sativa. Maybe it's just for the night, but it's needed because of the vibe. This is KattyGyal, princess, lyrical shit, like a typical dancehall queen. But I don't dim with your sound system, cause maybe you select a one MC like me. But let me introduce you to our Silesian power. We haven't legalized it yet, but we love the flower. You know there is much more with foreign influence. Empress KattyGyal is repping for the audience, yeah. I'm the number one. Woo! It's a my girl power and a rub-a-dub style. Let me go up on the mic and I will make you cry. You know I am your healing for your eyes, for your nerves, because of my music. It's a my girl power and a rub-a-dub style. Let me go up on the mic and I will make you cry. You know I am your healing for your eyes, for your nerves, because of my music, because of my girl power. Be ready for girl power. Be ready for girl power. Whoa.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me howling, howling. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me howling, howling.
Skip the rope, jump the fence, make me laugh, make me dance. I don't care what you do, oh, I like you. Wake up to unlock all your dreams that were stuck. Summer days are so clear, now you are here.
It's a long drive north from the city. She never even thought to call. A light rain was falling, the freeway was crawling, but with the thought of the weekend, she ignored it all. Next week would be nearly 2 years since their meeting that warm summer night. And the dream she always dreamed from when she was a girl had finally made it to life.